Welcome to the Operate with me Nokia T21, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should select the empty space on our home screen and just hold for a while this empty space with the finger. Then you'll see here widgets icon. After that you'll see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. As you can see, just under of the name of our apps, we can see how many widgets this application got. For example, the calendar have just 2 different widgets, the Google Home 4 of them, the clock 5 widgets, and just let's use one from these widgets. For example, let's add the calendar schedule. Just to add the widget, we should hold it and drag it to our home screen. If you want to move it here on the screen or between the screens, or just to create the new screen with a widget, you just should hold it and just drag it. If you want to resize it, just hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from the home screen, you should just hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.